guys, Jaleesa here. I am back to do a puff tutorial for you guys. Not a puff, but a puff tutorial for you guys. That was so corny. I have done puff tutorials on my channel before, high puff tutorials, but it's been a while and I felt like I should update you guys on maybe some new products that I'm using on my hair, and maybe some new techniques that I'm using. So it's not too different. I mean, a puff is a puff. It's classic. I love to do puffs on old twist outs, old wash and goes. Right now I have an old wash and go going on. Well, it's not that old. It's just, what is this, like 2 days? 2 days old. So it's giving me a lot of volume right now, which I don't mind. I love volume. I love frizz. First day hair is cool, but I like it when it's a couple days old. So first things first, when I'm rocking an old wash and go, which happens a lot because I work full time, and when I do my wash and goes on, whether it's Saturday or Sunday, by the time Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday gets here, I'm not always washing my hair in the middle of the week. So I like to do different things to spruce up my wash and go, and a high puff is most of the time what I go with. High puff or like a middle puff or a low puff, whatever it may be. Today we're doing high puff. So a couple products that I'm going to be using today. First things first, I have my products way over here. Let me slide them over. I'm going to be using the Eco Styler Gel. This is the black castor and flaxseed oil gel. I am over halfway done with this jar. Like, this is my favorite gel from Eco Styler. By far my favorite. I know a lot of people like the argan oil. That one is good too. I have the crystal one down here too, but I don't use that one as much. I don't know what it is about that one, but I don't care for it as much as I like this one right here. Always reach for this one. So I'm gonna be using that to slick my hair, but to refresh my curls, because as you guys know, when our twist outs and wash and goes get a little bit old, I like to refresh it each day. So the product that I'm gonna be using today to refresh my hair, a lot of times, y'all, I reach for, hold on, let me grab it. Alright guys, so a lot of times I reach for my Uncle Funky's Daughter Thirsty Curls. But today I'm going to be trying something new. This is a product that I just got in the mail the other day from Diva Curl, actually. I've never used Diva Curl on my channel before. I actually have a couple other products from Diva Curl that I received. Let me know if you want to see maybe like a little demo of how those products work on my hair. Not nothing full out, but just a little demo of how they work. Make sure you keep up with me on my Instagram page too at iMadameJay. There you'll see me maybe talking about a little bit of products and showing you different styles and things, hairstyles that I'm doing using some products that you might not see on here. So just a plug. So yeah, this is the Diva Curl Diva Fresh Scalp and Curl Revitalizer. So this is to refresh and extend your curls. If you have a wash and go in between like your wash days, you would spray this on each morning. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and take this and spray it on my hair right now. It smells really good. Smells really good. My hair feels nice. I'm going to spray a little bit more right in the front. And it's loosening up my curls a lot, as you guys can see. Now when I do my puffs, the thing about doing puffs on like first day hair, your hair, my hair anyway, flops over. So when my hair is a couple days old, I know that I have the most volume, and my hair isn't flopping over. Like, I can really see my shape as the days progress when I do a wash and go. So yeah, this is the shape that I'm working with. So I'm actually going to spray a little bit more right there. My hair felt a little bit dry right there. So yeah, that's what I'm working with. What I'm going to use to tie my hair up into the high puff is this little thing right here. What is this, you wonder? This is a knee-high. Actually, it was a stocking. And I cut it off at the knee area. So yeah, this is just a stocking that I cut off at the knee area, and this is what I'm going to use to do my high puffs. Why I use this, it's super stretchy, it's affordable. You can get a lot of these out of one stocking. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be using, you guys. And I'm going to just go ahead. I have my water bottle right here, and I'm going to spray. Even though I just sprayed, I have some bobby pins in my hair I did not realize, so I'm going to go ahead and take those out. So yeah, I'm just going to spray along the perimeter before I apply that gel. This spray bottle I picked up from Sally's. It sprays out water continuously. So sprays out a fine mist of water continuously. So yeah, my hair is all wet. So what I'm going to do is grab my Eco Styler. And let me know if you guys like these little talk through videos like this. I don't do them as much on my channel, but I think it's pretty cool that I can sit here and talk with you guys while I do my hair. It's actually tax-free weekend in South Carolina this weekend, but I never go out on tax-free weekend because I'm like, it always falls on the wrong weekend. Is that just me? I don't know if other states have tax-free weekend either. So yeah, this is the brush that I'm going to be using. This is a soft bristle brush. I've used it I don't know how many times on my channel, but I'm just going to be brushing that gel in before I tie my hair up with my stocking. And I have a gray hair peeking out in the front. And even though I put that gel around the perimeter of my hair, I'm still going to go back in with my edge control and slick my hair exactly how I want it to be. So taking my little stocking right here, my little knee high, and I'm going to put it in the back of my hair. Alright, looks like I have my puff. So I'm going to go ahead and tie this in the back, not too many knots, just one more tie in the back and then tuck it. And then go ahead and pull my puff out how I want it to be, so I can get the perfect shape. Gosh, my puff can hardly fit on the camera. Let me roll my camera up so you guys can see, because it is getting cut off right. Alright, there we go. Alright, so yeah, the next thing that I'm going to do, actually I'm not going to mess with my edges too much, y'all. I'm not going to mess with my edges too much. I'm going to put a little bit of Eco Styler on it and call it a day, because my hair is basically covering up my edges. So the next thing I'm going to do is add some shine to my hair, because I have colored hair, and right now my hair isn't looking that dull, but I like to go ahead and add some of this hair polish on my hair from Uncle Funky's daughter. This is the Glossy Finishing Hair Polish. It smells really nice, and it is basically like a blend of oils that includes coconut and Tailleur oils, and Manoir, is that how you say it? Manoir oil? So it adds shine to your hair and softens your hair. So I'm going to spray that all over my puff. I guess that's enough. You do not need to spray that much. I just get a little bit obsessive. So my hair is pretty much soft to the touch. Yeah, that's my puff, guys. That's my puff. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more gel to the side. Now if you have a smaller puff, of course you might want to add more edge control and things to the side and tie your hair up. Right now I'm not doing that because I don't really see the need to do so. And the thing to keep in mind with Eco Styler gel, it's not going to do the same thing as edge control because it is water based. So your hair is going to curl up eventually. It's not gonna last. So y'all, this is my puff right now. This is my puff. Let me know if you guys like this puff, like this tutorial. Like I said, I know I've done something like this on my channel before, but I figured why not do an updated tutorial on how I do it. So yeah, this is what I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.